name is Aaron Petruccelli. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Nashua, New Hampshire, and my sport is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I tore my ACL when I was at Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. My partner was working a takedown on me. I was defending it. In the process of defending it, I felt the pop in my knee. There was pretty audible noise as well. About a week later, I went to my orthopedic doctor, and he confirmed that I had an ACL tear. After I tore my ACL, I looked into a few different treatment options. Most of them involved taking donor tissue or using a piece of my own tissue. After speaking with my surgeon, I learned about BEAR, which is your own body healing itself. And I didn't want 40-year-old technology. I wanted the latest that was available on the market, which was BEAR. My rehab and recovery went very smoothly. Once I was up and moving, I basically just took off. The doctor tells me that it's because my brain knows where my knee is. It's your own tissue. And compared to some of the people I know that have had traditional ACL reconstructions, I think my rehab went far smoother and far easier. After I was cleared to return back to sport, my first time back on the mat was awesome. It's one of those things where when it gets taken away, you really miss it. And when you have it back, it's that much more enjoyable. I was very, very confident in my knee. I was able to change directions, explode, stand, and I didn't have any issues or limitations. Today I'm doing great. I have no limitations on the mat. I'm very, very confident in my knee. I get to train multiple times a day, and there's no issues with my knee whatsoever. I'm slated to compete in the Masters World Championships, and that's really what I'm putting my time and my effort into right now. Having the BEAR implant has definitely changed my life. I'm 100% confident in my knee now. I have the ability to go from 0 to 100 and 100 to 0 in the blink of an eye. I'm a firm believer that ACL reconstruction is the old standard, and I certainly hope BEAR will be the new standard.